Imagine a creature residing deep within another organism, quietly growing to astonishing lengths, sometimes exceeding 50 feet. This silent passenger, a tapeworm, can live for decades, absorbing nutrients directly from its unsuspecting host's meals. Tapeworms are fascinating, ribbon-like parasites, members of the Cestoda class, found globally in various animal species. These remarkable organisms showcase an extreme form of adaptation, thriving in the challenging environment of an intestine. Their existence highlights a complex web of life, where survival often depends on exploiting another living being. Understanding tapeworms reveals incredible evolutionary strategies for nutrient acquisition and prolific reproduction. They demonstrate a profound mastery of biological efficiency, lacking complex organs many free-living animals possess. Their success story is woven into the fabric of ecosystems, often unseen but universally impactful across species. The journey of a tapeworm typically begins as a microscopic egg, passed into the environment through host feces. These resilient eggs can survive harsh conditions, waiting patiently to be accidentally ingested by an intermediate host animal. Once inside, the egg hatches into a larval form, which then migrates from the intestine into the host's muscle tissue. There, it forms a protective cyst, often called a bladderworm, patiently developing and awaiting its next crucial step. But that's not the strangest part of this intricate parasitic dance, requiring perfect timing and specific predatory events. The cycle continues when a definitive host, perhaps a carnivore, consumes the infected meat containing these developed cysts. Inside the definitive host's digestive tract, the larval tapeworm attaches firmly to the intestinal wall, beginning its growth. It uses specialized structures like hooks and suckers located on its head, called a scolex, to anchor itself securely. From this anchor point, the tapeworm begins to produce segments, known as proglottids, in a continuous, astonishing process. Each proglotid is essentially a self-contained reproductive unit, growing larger and more mature as it moves down the body. Imagine a living conveyor belt where new segments are constantly formed, pushing older, egg-filled ones towards the tail end. These older segments, packed with thousands of microscopic eggs, eventually detach and are expelled from the host's body. This incredible reproductive capacity ensures the tapeworm's survival, dispersing its offspring widely into the environment. Wait until you hear what comes next about their unique method of obtaining sustenance without a mouth or digestive system. Unlike most animals, tapeworms absorb all their necessary nutrients directly through their skin-like outer covering. They essentially bathe in the host's digested food, perfectly adapted to a life of passive absorption within the gut. This allows them to allocate nearly all their energy to growth and reproduction, making them incredibly efficient parasites. Specific species, like the pork tapeworm Teniasolium, can cause severe issues if their larvae infect human muscle or brain tissue. The broad fish tapeworm, Diphyllobothrium laudum, can grow over 30 feet long, absorbing crucial B12 vitamins from its host. Some tapeworms even manipulate their intermediate host's behavior, making them more susceptible to predation by definitive hosts. For example, certain parasites cause fish to swim erratically, making them easier targets for birds, completing the life cycle. And then something unexpected happened in the evolutionary arms race between host and parasite, shaping their interactions. Hosts have developed various immune responses, yet tapeworms constantly evolve counter-strategies to evade detection and expulsion. This ongoing biological struggle showcases nature's relentless drive for survival, even in the most extreme forms of life. Their remarkable longevity, sometimes spanning decades, further underscores their incredible ability to adapt and persist. Some species can even self-fertilize, ensuring reproduction even if only a single parasite infects a host organism. The sheer diversity of tapeworm species, each uniquely adapted to its specific hosts, is truly astounding to behold. From tiny ones in insects to giants in whales, their forms are as varied as the creatures they inhabit and influence. The resilience of these segmented creatures against digestive enzymes and immune attacks is a testament to their survival prowess. This silent battle for resources plays out daily, shaping the health and behavior of countless animals around the globe. They represent a hidden world of biological ingenuity, perfectly honed for a life of dependence within another being. Their ability to absorb nutrients directly makes them incredibly efficient, maximizing their growth with minimal energy expenditure. The presence of tapeworms can significantly impact a host's health, leading to nutrient deficiencies and chronic weight loss.
In livestock, heavy infestations can reduce growth rates, lower meat quality, and decrease overall productivity for farmers.
Can cause severe symptoms like seizures and behavioral changes. Tapeworms can weaken individuals, making them more vulnerable to predators or environmental stresses. The neurological effects of larval cysts, especially in the brain, can cause severe symptoms like seizures and behavioral changes. This condition, known as neurocysticercosis, is a major public health concern in many parts of the world, especially for humans. Tapeworms also play a subtle, yet crucial, ecological role by influencing predator-prey dynamics and population controls. Infected prey animals may be slower or less agile, increasing their likelihood of being caught, thus completing the parasitic cycle. This intricate relationship drives coevolution, where hosts and parasites continuously adapt to each other's survival strategies. The constant pressure from parasites like tapeworms contributes to the genetic diversity and resilience of host populations. Scientists study these interactions to better understand disease transmission, ecosystem health, and fundamental biological principles. Preventing the spread of these parasites involves complex strategies, including sanitation and proper cooking of meat products. The global economic impact of tapeworm infections in agriculture and public health is substantial, affecting millions annually. Their hidden existence serves as a powerful reminder of the unseen forces shaping the natural world around us constantly. The sheer biomass of tapeworms globally is staggering, representing an enormous, often overlooked component of animal life. These ancient parasites have perfected their survival game over millions of years, proving remarkably adaptable and resilient. From the smallest fish to the largest mammals, nearly every animal can harbor some form of these intriguing internal guests. Their incredible life cycles truly underscore the remarkable and sometimes unsettling diversity of life on our planet. Tapeworms, with their astounding adaptations and complex life cycles, embody the ultimate silent survivors of the animal kingdom. Their hidden world offers a profound glimpse into nature's ingenious and often brutal strategies for perpetual existence. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and share your thoughts in the comments below.